Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily tweak your laptop or PC. Let's begin. First, I want you to go ahead and access your NVIDIA application. If you haven't, you can easily download this to or go ahead and access your Chrome browser. NVIDIA application, click on the very first result, download or click on download now. Once you have successfully installed this application, I want you to head over to your Windows Start button over here, click on it, and locate NVIDIA application. So this is very important. Your graphics card or GPU needs to be constantly updated. You can click over here, drivers. And if you haven't installed this yet, you will have the option to click on download or install. Now make sure to click or select the appropriate driver. Studio driver will be much more balanced. If you are more heavily on gaming, choose game ready driver. Once done, I want you to close this and right here, right click and access the NVIDIA control panel. Okay. So let's wait for it over here. We just need to go and click on adjust image settings. So click use my preference emphasizing. And for mine, I will just do quality. But if you want to get the high performance, click on performance over here and then choose apply. Once done, I want you to click on use the advanced 3D image settings and click on manage 3D settings. Scroll down and over here, the section preferred refresh rate, make sure it is on the application control, the shader cache size. It could be default, or I would recommend 10 gigabytes. And then you can scroll down. The linear or trilinear optimization should be on. And then scroll up, you will see low latency mode. So here, make sure this is selected on, but never on ultra because it might actually do some incompatibilities in your settings. So go and choose on. All right. Once done, I want you to click or hit apply, and it will apply all of your changes immediately. Once done, lastly, go back to your Windows Start menu. I want you to locate Game Mode Settings. Okay. Over here, we have Game Mode on, which is good. Then go to Game Bar, right? So here, make sure this is enabled, but it really depends on your play style. For me, I don't really necessarily need this, but if you are in need of performance, such as recording game clips, chatting with friends, or receiving game invites, this is very crucial. So make sure to turn this on. And once done, you may choose to reboot your PC, get back on your screen, and basically you're done. By following all of these steps, you have successfully optimized and tweaked your laptop. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.